Welcome to DLM Distribution, DLM Campervans. Today we have our Mini T conversion on a 2020 Silver Metallic Transit Connect. Comes with a hitch, shore power plug-in cord. On the roof you have solar, max air fan, over there antenna. Inside you find a microwave, sink, fresh and gray water, thermostatically controlled refrigerator, LED lighting, a front privacy curtain, also a WeatherTech sunshade for the front. Here's the couch, TV, DVD player, and here's the couch in the bed position, 43 by 72 inches. This has front and rear sensing system, beepers. Inside you find the cloth seats. This vehicle comes with the hands-free sync system and also navigation. Check out our available inventory or give us a call to pre-order. www.dlm-distribution.com or 651-285-7089. Happy camping!